Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space C colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command C colon and simply press enter. Type cd space C colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec / fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space C colon /. Now type cd space Windows / system32 / config / regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space / export space C colon / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space C colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space C colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space C colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.